The dashboard is one of the most important tools in Project Target, made for pursuing projected targets and for monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, both for departments and users. Depending on your permissions, you can use the dashboard to track not just your personal metrics, but also the metrics of other departments or users. In our case, we have all the privileges. Because we have super admin status, the dashboard is target-oriented. With the target in focus and its associated KPIs, it drives a department or a user to success. The dashboard shows only one department or user at the time. In order to get the target and its respective KPIs, you have to choose the dashboard filters. In Department field, insert name of the department. In our case, we will type Department 1 because we insert sales only for them. If you want to see the performance for the whole department, not for single users, leave user field blank. But if you want to check single users' performance, type the name of the user which you want to see. We can check one of our users that we inserted sales for. It's Debbie, Jane, Letitia, and Lynn. Choose Debbie, for example. Target type is the period which we want to see. Choose month, for example. Recalculation type is an algorithm for target recalculations. We will choose daily recalculation in our case. And product group is vacations. Now we have results for Debbie for this month in dashboard. There you can see the performance of your sales reps or departments. The first thing you see is the target. Target is the value for a selected period of time. The system automatically recalculates targets by the user's performance. Value shows the realized value for the selected period of time. Difference shows the difference between value and target. Expected value is the value that is supposed to be achieved at the current moment. Value and target presented on a time scale for the selected period of time. Efficiency shows the summed value of verified sales versus a total number of taken tours. Average deal shows the summed value of verified sales versus a number of verified sales. Closing percentage shows verified sales versus the total number of taken tours. Sales by status is a card which shows all sales grouped by status. Value versus expected value shows how much department or a user is ahead or behind the expected value. Value versus target shows how much department or a user is ahead or behind the target for the selected period of time. Overview shows a graph of an important parameter: target, value, difference, and expected value. Working days calendar shows non-working days for departments or users. Now that we've gone through all the cards, you can see what your sales representative's performance was. If you want to choose another user, just insert their name in the user field.